learned that Yitzhak Perlman was doing a film, and Josh Waletsky was involved, was doing a film about klezmer music and about his visiting Europe and you know, and his father was in the film, and Perlman spoke Yiddish in the film, and we had Damrosch Park booked for for a concert that summer, and we approached Perlman, and he says, "You've been asking me, and you've been asking me now. The movie's happening. I'll do it." And then we put together a collection of the all-stars of klezmer, a really historic gathering of klezmer bands and klezmer personalities. You and your band, the Klezmer Conservatory Band, the Klezmatics, the Capella, Henry Sapoznik's group, Andy Statman and his group. And we did not announce at this event at Damrosch Park that that Yitzhak Perlman was going to appear. We purposely did not announce it because we didn't want the crowd to be unmanageable. But as it is, this lineup packed the place. There were 10,000 people. They were standing on each other's. It was unbelievable. It was like so crowded. And there was no announcement. And at one point, I had the privilege of saying, "Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage a newcomer to the world of klezmer music." And I didn't say his name. And out he came, and a wave of a roar erupted as people recognized him. It was huge, huge moment, you know, dramatic moment. And he sat down and he played, you know, he had rehearsed, of course, the day before, and he played what was, you know, just an incredible set of virtuosity of klezmer, of him and the bands and everybody together. It was quite remarkable. And following that, he and you and everybody else went on. The film came out, and he went on tour with all the klezmer bands, and so that continued for years after. But I feel like I had some role in, you know, establishing this moment that that was emotional for him and emotional for the film itself. You know, it was a peak moment in the film.